Well, good morning. This is a very quick video because I'm lying in wet grass and it's quite uncomfortable, and it's not the most scenic video that we've done. I'm just going to quickly show you how I replaced the ball valve on my Hume grey tank on my JB Gator X. Now, it's a 22-gallon tank. It's about 90 something litres. The ball valve that was originally fitted lasted pretty well, but I never liked the fit of it. There's another set of plumbing underneath there. The on and off valve handle always conflicted with that. I was always skinning my knuckles. The valve stem was too tall. It was made of some white poly, and it just looked like it was cobbled together. The valve that they had was much bigger in circumference, conflicted with this. I never liked the fit. It was never a really secure waterproof fit in here, and then they glued on like a valve stem, so there was quite a better leverage on this. I wasn't very happy with it, but anyway, you can buy them online, but us jumping from caravan site to caravan site, I thought, let's go on to Bunnings and see what they've got. So I found a ball valve, correct size, and it was a bit of a wing and a prayer to see whether or not the thread would actually marry up. It seems to be made of the same material as the grey tank. So I bought the valve, and I bought a 1.5 inch step down, but it works really well. It's a one-fingered operation now. So I'll just duck underneath there now and show you what I've done. So this is my grey tank valve. It just screws straight on into the Hume 22-gallon tank there. This is where I was having my problem. There's not a lot of clearance. Indeed, the other on-off tap was always catching on this, and I was always skinning my knuckles, and it was a pain, and it was always flexing. So I'll put in a couple of links for the company that make this, and this is I think it's the 1.5 inch step down, and my grey just plugs straight into that with it. So that's nice and easy, and just very simply, that's closed, and I can just duck under that. Dirt's going to get in here, get on that nice smooth ball surface as it rotates in and out, and if there's any large particulate matter, it's just going to score the face of that, and this will be inoperable, and you'll either be stuck open or stuck shut. So I've got a cap, so when we start heading long distance on dirt roads, rather than this filling up, we'll put a couple of links into this and this. Now, mindful that this valve was much more expensive than what I could find online for the replacement. It seemed to be made very well, and as I said, this is just one hand now. It's really easy for me to operate, so I'm really quite chuffed with that. Anyway, that's it. I don't want to ramble too long.